In today's video, I'm printing Hello World in Android Studio and Flutter. Okay. Inside of Android Studio, you can create a new Flutter project. I'm going to name it test. And next. And now we're going to load up the program. So now that our program has loaded up, it comes by default with all this code. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to convert it, and this is the main part. And the first thing we're going to do is call the run app, and then make a material app. Inside of the material app, we have a home, and the home is going to have a scaffold. And next, inside of the scaffold, we have a body, and inside of here, we're just going to have some text. So this is what our code looks like. Also, we have everything down. The run app, material app is the type of app. And then we have our home. The home has a scaffold. And next we have in the scaffold, we have a body, and we called it text. And it should display Hello World on our Android emulator. So next I'm just going to choose the Android emulator. I'm going to run it on it.